Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. This is me, Madhur Pokanna, and welcome to TechSea. So, in this video will be completely different from the videos which I make. In this video, I'll go out to purchase something. You guys must have been knowing it because of the title and all that. So, yes, I'll go out right now.
Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome back to the channel again. This is me, Madhur Pokanna, and welcome to TechG.
In the video, I'll be going out somewhere. You guys must have known it, but yes, I'll be going out somewhere. And but before that, let me just continue my day. It's currently 7 o'clock in the morning, and I'll just read with. I'll stick with mathematics for first. I'll read ellipse most probably, and then I'll go for hyperbola once the ellipse part is done. So let's go. Let's go. Marker क्यों लिया? I need a pen. Give me a pen. Ooh. I got a pen. अरे I'll have to fetch the book I need. Okay, I got the book. I decided to go for ellipse and ellipse and hyperbola are very interrelated, I think so, yes. And I also feel that they are a bit easier chapters from the JE perspective. So yes, I'll read ellipse for some time and then I'll take a 10 minutes break.
Your favorite place is still mine.
Yes, now that I'm done with some of the parts in ellipse, which is the tangent and the chord part, I'll take a 10 minutes break. And yes, as you can see, the climate, the weather is very cloudy, no proper sunlight, doesn't feel like it's 8 o'clock in the morning, but then yes, it's 8 o'clock right now. I'll take a 10-minute break and then I'll again stick with the same topic, ellipse.
Sometimes I don't even know where I'm going at first. All of the turns that I had to unlearn. Back to the surface, the feeling of all that we were. I don't always think about you till first Avenue.
Now the 10 minutes break is over, and as I said earlier, I'll just read ellipse for now for some time, and then I'll read it till 10 o'clock, and then I'll have my breakfast, and after that I'll just most probably I'll read physics or chemistry, I don't know, for half an hour or 45 minutes, and then at 11:30 there is something which I'll do. I mean, I'll go out to purchase something. So let's go. So a quick update that I'm done with the chord and the tangent part, and then I'll just read the remaining part. Then I'll most probably go for hyperbola once the ellipse part is done. So many of you might be wondering, why am I reading this topic ellipse for now? Because me being a state student, we don't have the chapter ellipse, hyperbola and parabola in class 11th. So they taught us in class 12th, so I skipped that part in class 11th. And yes, now I'll have to read that, but I don't feel that much difficulty. And all the chapters are interrelated, like first parabola and then hyperbola, then ellipse and hyperbola. So all of them are interrelated. So I don't feel much difficulty in that. So yeah, done with mathematics. That is the ellipse part, and now I'll have my breakfast. It's currently 10:15 in the morning, and I have my breakfast right now. After that, I'll most probably read chemistry or physics. Well, I decided to read physics for some time, and yeah, so also do let me know in the comment section which class are you studying in right now and which subject do you hate the most and why, if possible. Do let me know in the comment section. So yeah, so I'm done with the reading part, and I'll just get ready to go out for purchasing something. So let's go. Before going out, make sure to drop a like and subscribe to the channel, and with that you can stay connected with me, and I can upload videos which you want me to upload on the topics and all that. So make sure to subscribe to the channel and let's go.
So we are here at the shop and I could not play the background music because of one particular thing, which is this speaker. It was playing a copyrighted song, so I could not play that song. But then, yes, we are here and let's go.
I can see all of my problems falling away, away. All my dreams coming alive while I'm lying away, away.
It is here. So I got this phone, Samsung Galaxy M52, and I'm waiting for the payment. He said that it'll take some time, probably like 10 to 15 minutes. So let's just wait for some time. Oh my god, guys, there is some issue once again. The Samsung, the device isn't getting registered on any of the Samsung devices from the Galaxy store. So let's hope that I get this phone and let's get this fixed as soon as possible. It has been more than half an hour and I am super tense because the phone isn't registered yet under the Samsung store. I hope this gets fixed ASAP, but yeah, let's hope for the best. And yeah.
One pair of pants later.
So there we go, finally we got a phone. So thank God the payment was done properly and everything was done correctly. So yes, now we'll just head our way towards home.
Guess what? I am back home and I got the phone, and let's just do a quick unboxing for this video. Let's go.